Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. Today we will talk about how to fix mechanical keyboard that is typing multiple letters. Let's start. First of all, clean the keyboard. Dust and debris can cause erratic key behavior. Turn off or unplug the keyboard. Use compressed air to blow out debris between the keys. For stubborn particles, gently remove keycaps and clean the switches with a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol. Then adjust keyboard settings. In Windows, open Control Panel, choose Keyboard, adjust the repeat delay and repeat rate sliders to your preference. Setting a longer delay and slower repeat rate can help. Then update or reinstall drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause typing issues. Visit the manufacturer website to download and install latest drivers for your keyboard model. Finally, test on another device by connecting keyboard to a different computer to check if the problem persists. If it does, the keyboard may be faulty. Thank you.